Hey everyone, welcome back to Noor Telecom. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy repair for your iPhone 12 Pro, replacing the SIM slot. Let's get started. At first, we disassembled the display module. Now remove the old SIM tray from the motherboard. This is the new SIM slot. Now place it on the motherboard. Attaching necessary screw and display module. Now it's time to check. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the iPhone 12 Pro SIM slot. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Noor Telecom for more tech tips and repair guides. Got any questions or need further assistance? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.